Ito, malinis ito. Hindi pa natutunaw ang snow. Oh. Seems like no one shoveled the street. Oh no. Look. Can see the ice? Yeah. No one shoveled the street. Is the guy stuck over there? Because it's a bit slippery. Yeah, the guy is. Maybe the guy is stuck right there. Come on this way. Yeah. Hindi pa yan sinasyabelan. Dinadaanan na ng kotse lang yan yung black sign na yan. Come on this way, this way. Malamig pa eh. Pero at least 40s na ngayon. Cortland Place, Northwest. Papuntang Connecticut. Ito ang resulta ng snowstorm. Ano? Ice yan. Yan, ice yan. Yung shiny na yan, ice yan. Sa strip ko diba? Wala naman sasakyan. Pag may sasakyan, tabi-tabi. Yung ibang secondary pala, hindi pa pala na shovel. So, mahirap eh. Kaya ito hindi nakakalabas. Magto 2 weeks na yan. Kasi mahirap na idig. Ayan, yung mga kutsi na yan, yung 3 kutsi na yan, hindi nakalabas yan. Yung kutsi din yan, maraming hindi nakakalabas. Marami ditong hindi nakakalabas. Kasi na-stuck sila sa ice. Ito, tingnan mo ito. Ilang kotse ang hindi nakalabas. Yan. 1, 2, 3. 3 kotse ang hindi nakalabas. See? Puno ng ice. Paano ka makalabas niyan? See? Magto 2 weeks na yan. Tingnan mo. Hindi ka talaga makalabas niyan. Ito. Hindi ka makalabas niyan kasi mahirap mag-dig sa ice. Morning. It's hard to dig the ice. Morning. It's hard to dig the ice. Dito na ako sa Connecticut. Devonshire Place. Maraming hindi pa nakakalabas dahil sa snowstorm. Yung iba nag-over, nagbabas kasi hindi makalabas eh. Walking with my dog early in the morning. See, Cortland Place, 28th Street. No one plowed this area. See, look at that. The ice in the middle of the street. See? No one plowed this area. Oh, okay. It's a little bit slippery. What's this? Oh, it's water now. So let's go this way. All the way there. 28th Street. Cortland Place. Yeah, this is dangerous during the night because you cannot see it. It's not good if no one shovel on your street, secondary street, especially like this weather. See, all the way there. Papasok kasi ito eh, kaya hindi na naintindi ng gobyerno. At least natunaw siya. Yung dinadaanan ng kotse yan ang sign na yan. Hindi talaga siguro ito na siya simula sa po. Kasi may snow sa gitna eh. Na ito. Yan, marami pang kutsi, hindi nakakalabas. Ito, naglinya yung kutsi na hindi nakakalabas. Yeah. This car been stuck since February 5. Hello! Hello, baby! Okay, be careful because of the ice. Ay, be careful! Careful love. Oh, see, look at that. Stuck. Ay, this car. Oh, this. Stay. So, look at that. Icy one. No car can go through right there. It's 100% you're gonna slide. See? Careful. See? Stuck. Go, 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 go. Go there, go there. Ay, ay, ay. Yan ang hirap dito. Kutsi mo, hindi makalabas dahil sa ice.